Begin by lying in a comfortable position, flat on your back with your legs uncrossed and arms at your side, palms facing downwards. Once you find yourself in a comfortable position, softly close your eyes and just focus in on your breathing, noticing how the air enters and exits your body. Feeling your stomach rise on every inhale and fall on every exhale. Take a moment to let your breath slow down. Feeling your body heavy on the surface on which you are lying. All that matters in this moment is your breath and the words you are hearing. Anytime your mind wanders, that's okay. Just return your awareness back to these words, back to your breath. And as you breathe softly and slowly, you feel yourself letting go, entering into a state of deep peace and relaxation. And as your breathing continues to soften and deepen, you begin to sense the glow of a soft blue light beginning to flow down over the top of your head, flowing over your face, bringing deep relaxation as the soft blue light continues to flow down your neck, into your shoulders and your arms. Everywhere the soft blue light touches, your body experiences a release as you enter into relaxation. And you feel the soft blue light continue now down your chest, your back, your torso. Feel yourself sinking into this wave of peace and relaxation as the blue light continues down through your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and all the way down into the soles of your feet, so that your entire being is illuminated in soft blue light. And you feel every cell within you relaxing, letting go. Take this peaceful feeling with you as you slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, waking your body back up from a more relaxed and peaceful state. And whenever you're ready, slowly rise as you open your eyes back to the room around you.